subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon so you never miss any new updates cause whenever.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Bhasin, professor at a university in Delhi and a consultant endodontist and implantologist.
And I'm Dr. Meenu Bhasin, professor at a university in Delhi and consultant periodontist and oral implantologist.
And we are practicing at Dr. Bhasin Super Speciality Dental Center, Ashok Vihar, North Delhi. Friends, as we all know, it's a state of pandemic all across the globe and we are in a state of lockdown. So here we are to share with you some tips that how you can take care of your oral health during this lockdown. So I will request Dr. Meenu to share some tips with you.
Thank you, Dr. Prashant. And during this state of lockdown, I understand that all of you are anxious and a little scared, but at the same time, we should not ignore our health and especially our oral health when we don't have an access to dental care. So I'm going to share some tips. The tip number 1 is that use fluoridated toothpaste. Don't use abrasive powders. Even gel forms can be a little more abrasive. Also, do not rush when you brush, and you're going to take 30 seconds to brush each cordon, so that makes it 2 minutes of brushing. Choose a soft toothbrush to brush your teeth, and a simple technique of brushing that I'm going to share with you, because the brushing technique is very much important, the right technique. So what you can do is, you have to brush vertically, that is for upper teeth go from upwards to downwards direction, and for lower teeth from downwards to upwards direction. Do not brush like this, that is in a horizontal manner, because that is going to cause more harm than any help to you. Do not ignore your tongue. And if you don't have access to any instruments to clean your tongue, at least you can use your brush to clean your tongue. If you had not been flossing till now, this is a good time, as you have ample of time to start flossing, as that's going to take care of the spaces between the teeth. Also, start using a mouthwash. At present time, I would suggest a Hexidine mouthwash, because Hexidine is also known to be now effective against COVID-19. But in case you do not have an access to Hexidine mouthwash, least you can do is use warm saline rinses twice a day. Also, avoid taking too much of acidic foods or too much of sweet food. That is how you can take care of your oral health at home. Still, if in case of an emergency, now you want to know whether should I visit my dentist or not during this time. So I'm going to ask Dr. Prashant Bhasin about it.
Well, Dr. Meenu, it's a very valid and a very important question now, that when can I visit my dentist? Now, as we all know, you don't have access at this point of time to all the dental clinics, and they are being at a state of lockdown. But yes, for any kind of emergency, for that emergency means that if you have an acute tooth pain which is not being taken care by the prescribed medications, or you have some uncontrolled bleeding from your mouth, so in such cases you can visit your dentist, and Dr. Bhasin Super Speciality Dental Center is there to take care of those emergencies. And definitely I would like to assure you that as per the certain guideline which is being laid by the Dental Council of India and other regulatory bodies on the surface disinfection and cross contamination, that how we are following the stringent protocols for that at our center, starting from the screening of the patient and till the patient goes out from our dental clinic. So, and because what we feel is that for more than our health, it's your health that we should take care all together, because it's a teamwork, and that's what I would like to share with you all.
So you don't need to be feared, and because at our center we are following stringent protocols to prevent any cross-contamination. In the end, I would like to thank my dear friend Shivani Singhal and also Mr. Raghav Singhal and Amit Garg for encouraging us to share our views with you.
And I would like to extend my thanks to the entire Roshnara family, and also especially to the management of the Roshnara Club to give this honor to us to come before you and share some tips for you that how you can maintain your oral health during this lockdown. So I would like to say to you at the end that stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.
Thanks.